Hello students, welcome ulit sa online tutorial natin. So, tapos na tayo no, sa integration by substitution. So, we will proceed with the next topic, which is integration of exponential functions. Now, actually, sa part na to medyo madali lang kasi as you all know, the derivative of e to the power x is equal to e to the power x din, which means ang integral din yun ng e to the power x is also e to the power x din. Okay, so madali lang to but medyo meron lang counting twist because it will involve substitution. Sa problem set, may substitution, may triangle functions, ganyan. So, check natin. Sige. So, first problem tayo. Ano po yung first problem natin? Integral, ano to? Integral of, 1, sorry. That's 1 over e to the power 2x. Okay? Now, this is actually an easy one. Notice, it's already in the form e to the power x, no? Kaso nga lang, instead na x, it is 2x, and instead na nasa numerator, nasa denominator. So the first thing that we will do is put this one sa numerator. So if I will put this one sa numerator, basically I'll just change the exponent sign, no? Magiging negative na. Diba? I'm sure you're familiar with that one from your algebra. And the next, we cannot actually proceed with this integral, itong equation 4, because this is only applicable for e to the power x. This is e to the power negative 2x. Okay, so what we will do, we'll just actually let u be equal to negative 2x para, let u be equal to negative 2x para ang du will be equal to negative 2 dx. Dx. This way, I can now proceed with the substitution, and then ang mangyayari, hindi pa pala. Kasi notice, although we can actually substitute this one with u, wala tayong negative 2 dx. So we need to multiply the whole equation by negative 2, or in this case, multiply natin to by multiply natin yan by negative 2. Yan, multiply natin by negative 2 para we can actually change this one, itong negative 2 dx to du. However, since we multiply that by negative 2, we need to neutralize it by negative 1/2 din. Negative 1 over 2. Okay? So, or 1 over negative 2 para, okay lang, para wala nangyari, no? Para, basically, we neutralize it. So, we just multiply the whole equation by 1, which doesn't necessarily change the value. Okay? So, let's proceed with this substitution. So, this will become e to the power u. And then, itong negative 2 dx, this will become du. Okay? So, papalitan ko to. This will become du. Okay? And then, let's proceed. Ano ba yung sunod? I think, diretso na. We can now apply this equation 4. So, this will be negative 1 over 2 multiplied by e to the power x. So, multiplied by e to the power u and then plus c. Okay? And then again, i-retain natin yung actual value ng u. So, our answer should be ito. And then u is actually equal to negative 2x. Yeah. Or in a more simplified form, pwede nating ilipat to e to the power e to the power 2x. Yan. Diba ang tagal? Pero actually medyo matagal lang dahil pinakita ko pa individually yung negative 2, mga ganyan. But kayo pag kayo nang gumawa, I think kaya nyo naman siguro na idiretso na. Ang sagot ito is same pa din, 1 over e to the power 2x, but meron tayong neutralizing factor na negative 1/2. Again yun nga lang, pag medyo nasanay na kayo mag-solve, but pag hindi pa, medyo hindi nyo agad makikita nun na, ito pala yung sagot. Sige, so anyway, let's try to check daw kung same ba tayo sa answer key. Tama, that's negative 1 over 2 e to the power 2x. Sige. So, same pa din. If you have any questions or clarifications, please comment down below. Salamat sa panonood and see you sa next video natin, which is problem number